Hello and welcome to the PhoneBurner training. This is the Don't Be Complicated training series, and I'm your host, Jeff Osnes. If you need to reach out to me, send me an email, jeff@phoneburner.com. And today's topic, we're going to talk about using your own SMTP server or SMTP settings within the system. To access this feature, we're going to go to the My Account button and load the My Account page. On the My Account page, we're going to click on Use Your Own SMTP Server. So we're going to click on that. Here you're going to see your SMTP server information. By default, the system will have pulled your email address that you used to set up your account and put it in the Send From Email Address box. Now keep in mind there are many different types of SMTP servers, and I can't teach you how to set up yours specifically because there are so many different types, but we have set up some basic information for some of the most common ones. Google, Yahoo, Hotmail, One-on-One. And of course, if yours is not listed here, you'll want to contact your ISP or email service provider. If you own your own domain, then your domain registrar may provide an outgoing mail server that you can use. So you'll want to reach out to them. Another quick note is that some SMTP servers have limits on how many emails you can send per day. For example, Gmail has this limit. If you're running into those limits, then you may want to reach out to one of these services, Mandrill, SendGrid, or Turbo SMTP, to send your emails through them. I'd also like to point out that this is not a required feature. You do not have to use this feature. This feature is for people who would like to have more control over the sending server that is being used through your PhoneBurner account. By enabling this feature, you can actually turn off the email footer. The email footer, when you're using the PhoneBurner SMTP server, which is your default setting when you set up your account, will contain unsubscribe information as well as the system it's coming from. So people will see the PhoneBurner name at the bottom of your emails as well as an option to opt out. So if you are looking to remove that footer and the opt-out information, then you will need to use your own SMTP server for all sending. Setting up the SMTP server is simple. If you set up your email account to work with Outlook, then you just need to take the same outgoing mail server information that you used in Outlook and add it to this page. There are a couple of things that I've seen people have issues with when they're setting up their SMTP server information. One is the port. There are several different port numbers that can be used here. You'll need to refer to your email provider's SMTP information in order to find the appropriate port to use when sending emails. Another one is the connection security. There are a couple different security types, so make sure you select the appropriate one for you. Once you update the server information here and you hit Save Changes, the system is going to send a test to your server to verify that the settings are set up correctly. You're going to see this message indicating that we are testing this. This message will automatically go away once this is done. As you can see now, this message has now gone away and the SMTP server is now active in my account. So that's a quick overview of the SMTP server option within PhoneBurner. Once again, our PhoneBurner pricing, we offer an unlimited account for $149 a month or 7.5 hours of usage each month for $67.50 a month. If you are looking for multiple accounts or multi-seat accounts, enterprise accounts, we do offer discounts. Here you can see the discounts based off the total number of seats you have. We can set you up with any number of seats, just let me know what you're looking for. If you've not set up your trial yet, you need to go to phoneburner.biz and set that trial up today. And happy dialing.